Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Nikon Zf. This is Shinjuku Station in Tokyo, Japan, in September 27.
Here we are in Shinjuku. Let's have a look.
I couldn't resist to go to Nikon showroom, see their new camera before to be on sale.
Okay, here we are in Shinjuku, Nikon Plaza.
I am using a Sony a7c with only manual lens. Even this camera is 200 grams heavier than my Sony, I didn't feel it too much. The camera feels much more bigger and the rear button doesn't fit with the design. And the screen doesn't align with the body. They promote this camera as a stylish one, but actually in the hand it feels quite plasticky. Except for the two dials on the top. You can remove the eye cup, but they are not planning to make a bigger one for my big nose. The viewfinder is nice and I didn't get lag. The optional extension grip will cost you 15,000 yen. It's easy to place and remove, but come only in black. So it will not match the optional color skin body of the camera. The side door for the external connection is in soft plastic and doesn't feel so great. The back of the external grip is open, so you can access to the battery. You can program 4 buttons. The front, the record button, the AIL and the OK button. The camera can help you focus manual lens, pressing the magnifying glass button on the bottom. It's great, but I would immediately customize it to the AIL button.
Hi.
There is a bending flicker protection option in this camera. Picture control preset cannot be added to the camera, but there is plenty of presets color, then you can edit it. There is real 2 mechanical curtain in this camera, not like in my Sony a7c. This camera can do multiple exposure in the camera, but there is no auto framing option in video mode. And we don't know if they will have a silver version. I noticed that the screen getting hot even I didn't use the video function. ISO need to push one button and the dial in the same time to be operational. Finally, I hope manual focus help will come to other camera brands soon. That's all for the Nikon Zf. Next, let's have a look to Leica camera.
And here we are in the map camera, one of the best second-hand shop in Japan.
Here you can find new or second-hand camera from all brands, and actually that's where I bought my a7c. This is the Leica SL2S. I guess I would have a very different opinion if I didn't get this camera in my hand before. The build quality is so amazing. Yes, it's bigger and heavier, but the design and the menus and the image that come out of it, let me think I will save until the day I can afford one of them. Until then, let's have a ramen just nearby. And that was my first impression about the Nikon Zf. I hope it helped you, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.